Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Lagos State Governor Sanwo tests positive for COVID-19. Let's check out details. The Lagos State Governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo, has been confirmed to have tested positive for COVID-19 in the wake of the second wave of the virus in Nigeria. You would remember that Sanwo, who is also the incident commander of the state for COVID-19 response, had on December 10, 2020 gone into self-isolation after one of his close aides tested positive for the ravaging virus. The State Commissioner for Health, Professor Abayomi, confirmed that the governor had tested positive on Saturday via a statement. According to Abayomi, he said, sequel to the exposure to a confirmed case of COVID-19, a PCR test performed on the 11th of December has confirmed that Governor Sanwo indeed been infected with the virus, which was supported by mild symptoms and fatigue typical of a mid-case of COVID-19. The Health Commissioner further said that Mr. Governor is receiving treatment and is being closely monitored at home by the very experienced state COVID-19 clinical team from IDH Yaba. He further said Mr. Governor is doing well on treatment and rest, and they are confident that he will recover quickly and clear the virus. In another tweet, he said, "We are seeing slightly increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases in clusters in Lagos, and all residents and visitors should strictly adhere to the prescribed advisories of safe distancing, mask wearing, good hand and respiratory hygiene, and avoidance of unnecessary or large gatherings." The festive season is likely to create the opportunity for the virus to spread if we are not compliant with the regulations established by the Presidential Task Force (PTF) for inbound travelers and the festive season celebrations. The commissioner had earlier stated that it was not the first time Mr. Governor was having the COVID-19 test, as he had at least 3 since May 2020, when he announced that 10 of his aides had tested positive for the virus. Abayomi maintained that all inbound travelers must be COVID-19 negative by PCR test before they board a flight to Nigeria and must self-isolate on arrival and undergo a pre-booked test on day 7 of arrival in Nigeria. He urged Lagosians to keep celebrations of Yuletide to a minimum and be observant and responsible in interactions with others. You would remember that Professor Abayomi and Governor Sanwo-Olu's Chief Press Secretary, Mr. Gboyega Akosile, had earlier tested positive for COVID-19 and survived it after undergoing necessary medical treatment. Also, some governors in Nigeria have once tested positive for COVID-19 and recovered. Some of them include Ekiti State Governor Kayode Fayemi, Ondo State Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa of Delta State, and a lot more. We wish the Governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo, quick recovery from COVID-19. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.